Welcome to Interior Design YouTube channel. Modern bedroom floor design ideas focus on achieving a balance between style and practicality, enhancing the overall aesthetics of the space. Hardwood floors, with their timeless appeal, remain a popular choice, offering warmth and elegance. Laminate flooring, on the other hand, provides a cost-effective alternative with a variety of design options, including realistic wood and stone patterns. Vinyl plank flooring stands out for its durability and versatility, often mimicking the look of nature materials. Polished concrete floors lend a touch of industrial chic and minimalism, while their easy maintenance makes them a practical choice. Cork flooring, both eco-friendly and comfortable underfoot, introduces unique textures and a range of colors to suit your decor. For those seeking a clean, easy to maintain surface, porcelain or ceramic tile flooring is a go-to option, easily when laid in large format tiles for a seamless appearance. Carpet tiles offer softness and customization, allowing their creative mixing and matching of colors and patterns. Asia rugs, strategically placed on hard flooring surfaces, contribute texture, warmth, and a pop of color to modern bedrooms. Additionally, unique patterns or designs such as geometric layouts or hairpin patterns can make a bold statement. Epoxy design floors, a more creative choice, allow for customization with various colors, patterns, or embedded designs, adding a rustic touch to the bedroom floor. Ultimately, the choice of flooring materials could align with your preferences for durability, maintenance, comfort, and how well it complements the overall design and color scheme of your modern bedroom. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe, and like Interior Designs channel.